The Pallabrousse Legion was really the first shoe built by Palladium, so in 1947, for the French Foreign Legion. It's of course a very important product for Palladium. So my name it's Christophe Mortemousque. I'm the Palladium brand president. I've been working for Palladium for 23 years and I like to define myself as a temple guard. I'm here to keep the values of the brand. Palladium is born as a division of an aircraft Thai company. And after the Second World War, because the aircraft industry in Europe was down, Palladium decided to extend its production on shoes. And it's how they had the idea to use the know-how of DVP, direct vulcanization process, to make shoes. Because it's basically the technology is about attaching rubber and canvas together. It's what makes it very durable. So it was very important, of course, for the tires, and it has been also a very important features of our shoes because of the durability we were looking at. This year we are relaunching the Pallabrousse Legion, and we were interested to relaunch a shoe as close as possible from the original. It's a shoe that has set our DNA as a brand, and it has set our values around simplicity, durability, protection, comfort. This is what we will try to put in every product Palladium is creating.
Back in 1947, Palladium was leading the industry of utility boots. When designing the product, we had some iconic elements on the shoes that make this product performing very well. So some of the elements are still here today, such as the supportive stripes that we have on the quarters to stabilize the foot inside the boot. On top of that, we have, of course, the protective toe cap, which is one of the Palladium signature. The mid-foot supportive bars that is here to act as the anti-fatigue element for the arch of the foot. Next to that, we had gusset on the tongue, so it prevents the dust, the mud, and the sand to get inside the shoe. We have, of course, a durable natural cotton canvas to make the shoe quite resistant to wild environments, and a protective rubber patch on the inside to really protect the ankle bone from any frictions. When designing the new Pallabrousse Legion in 2021, we of course pay high attention to keep all those details and elements on the product, but we also made a few upgrades. So in terms of materials, we moved to a more sustainable approach. So we kept the durable aspect of the old product, but we also used organic cotton to make this product. On top of that, we also improved the comfort aspect of the shoe, so we added a Pallabrousse insole to have a better cushioning inside the boot. Today, when creating new products, we are still maintaining the same mindset as we had back in 1947. We are still trying to develop new functional products to enhance exploration, as we did in the past. But next to that, we believe that consumers are also purchasing product a bit in a different way. They are really willing to get product with a strong history and strong brand values, and not just only cool products.
One interesting story is about Arun Saziev, who was a famous French volcano explorer during the 70s. And we get connected to him because we find out in magazines that he were wearing our shoe during his exploration. So we were interested to find out why he was wearing the Pallabrousse. And so when we got in contact with him, what he told us was exactly what the shoe was built for. So it was built for durability, protection, and comfort. And this the features he was needed for his volcano exploration, because going in volcanoes, of course, you have a lot of stone, and it was protective, It was quite light and comfortable, not too warm also because it was canvas based, and this was the features he was looking for.
Internally at Palladium, we often say function makes it fashion. Here we have a very strong iconic product coming from 1947s. If you look at our collection today, you see that this look is still influencing half of our collection, from the material, from the sole, from the iconic signature. On top of that, we see that people today are still using our shoe for a multi-purpose usage. It's a perfect shoe for traveling, for backpacking. And on the same time, we see that this iconic look is quite often adopted by fashion designers, so also from the higher fashion industry, we see this kind of silhouettes more and more adopted.
The future of Palladium will be made with more sustainable product, and this is something we really want to develop in our collection. Number one, because it has been part of the brand since the beginning. Number two, because we believe it's becoming more and more important for the world we want to leave to our children. It's our brand values, and I don't think we have to change them now because they have been working for the last 70 years.